Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Maltese tokens in Heartopia. So in this latest update, there's a special collaborations with Maltese. Heartopia has a special collaborations with Maltese, and at this event you can buy exclusive Maltese items like outfit, home decorations, and then food and more. But to get those items, you will be need Maltese tokens like this, Maltese tokens like this, Maltese tokens. So how do you get them? Maltese token can be obtained from the Maltese gacha, this one, Maltese gacha machine. But before you can start the gacha, you will need Maltese coins. If you can get it from the buy it with the moonlight crystal, or you can also get these Maltese coins by completing the quest over here. And once you already have the coin, just go ahead start rolling the gacha. For example, like this, just simply tap on the gacha draw like this, and then next you can just adjust the count over here. Draw one times need 10 gacha coins. So make sure you have enough gacha coins to get more draw. And after that just tap on draw one time like this, and then just wait a moment. And just like that, in here you can get the Maltese tokens. But just keep in mind, this is a gacha system, so the rewards are random. That means you won't always get the Maltese tokens like this. Sometimes you might get other limited rewards instead. So the key is to keep trying and just do multiple pulls to increase your chance. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!